all these things affect the outcome of a case. And what about the ethnicity of a judge, prosecutor, defense attorney, right? How does that affect what happens in a case?
Is there anything that stuck out to you? And then in addition, is there something that we could do differently the next time? So any comments, suggestions? Anyone? Go ahead.
It was, the environment was, even though it's a courthouse, it was very friendly when you're going into the courtrooms compared to different counties. And then I like seeing a diverse of like police officers working and defendants.
Which department?
23.
23. Okay, yeah, a lot happens in 23. You know, because you have a community justice court in the morning. I guess it's all mornings, from about 9 to 10:30, and then from 10:30 to 12, they have another calendar in there where they pre-try, you know, cases.
Real close attention to the jury selection. And how many African Americans were there? Two out of 26.
John Dearman, a black man, and we walked into the courtroom. My client said, "There's no black people on this jury panel. I should just plead guilty right now because I'm not going to get found innocent." So I went and made a motion to the judge to strike the panel, and he got down off his bench and ran around City Hall and found some black people who'd been kicked off another jury and added them to the panel.
That ain't gonna happen again. My name's Frank Johnson, and I'm from Modesto, California, president of the NAACP, the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, branch 1048, Stanislaus County. Today I've been invited by attorney Mr. Wilson to do Court Watch, which was very informative. With the youth, the BSU from Davis High School out of Modesto, we were able to go into the courtrooms and watch actual cases taking place. I myself was watching a jury trial as they were picking the jury or selecting the jury. Many questions came up in the courtroom from the students that was with me, at which point I had to actually tell them to wait until after we were out of the courtroom. I was amazed at what they had seen and learned about how juries are selected and the lack of cultural representation for those that need a jury in the first place. To be part of this and sit in the public defender's office, and I was amazed at how the public defenders were so excited to be part of this program today. Not only were they supportive and answered the questions, but it showed a real concern about what is going on in the legal system and how they are so adamant about making sure that it doesn't matter who you are, that you will get just service from the public defender's office, which is a rarity according to many communities who say a lot of bad things about the public defender. Here I saw true caring from the public defender's office. This needs to come to Modesto. So what do I have to do? I think I may have to do a little begging to bring these attorneys down there to open up the public defender's office and do the same thing there.
Thank you, Jacque.
Thank you.